So when we talk about playlist, creating playlists on YouTube, a lot of people don't really understand why playlists are needed, except your content is just on a particular thing. Like you're just doing one, you're just on one niche. Even when you're on one niche, sometimes you might divert to other things. Yeah, little or no time, you might divert to other things. Maybe your long form videos are different from your shorts. Some of your shorts are not part of your long form video, like the same niche with your long form video. So this is why you need a playlist on your YouTube. And why do you really need this playlist? It's for your viewers. This playlist is not really like kind of 100% for you. So let's say it's 50-50. It's 50% you, 50% your viewers. Why? Because it helps you to categorize your channel, your videos, some of your videos. Okay, for example, me, I'm into tutorials. It helps you to categorize videos that are about tutorials on YouTube. Helps you to categorize videos that are probably tutorials on Facebook if you are doing Facebook tutorials. Also help you to categorize your short. Yeah, like for me, I have a playlist for tutorial shorts, like those short videos are about tutorials. I have a playlist for my long form videos about tutorials. I have a playlist for my long form videos that are about like kind of lifestyle. I also have a playlist for my short videos that are about dancing, entertainment, and those things. So it also helps, on the other hand, for your viewers, it helps your viewer to be able to go to a particular section. Yeah, let me use that word. Go to a particular section of your channel, to that playlist, and the viewer will know that this playlist is strictly for tutorials. So if the person wants to watch tutorial, the person will go to that particular playlist, click on it, and then watch tutorials. Another thing is, if you also want to share your tutorial videos with someone, this playlist also have a link you can copy, just like you copy your video link and send to someone. It also has a link, a playlist link that you can copy and send to someone. So immediately the person clicks on that particular link, it takes the person to that particular playlist on your channel, and the person gets to watch videos on that particular playlist, which is based on a particular topic. So these are the importance of playlists in case you really didn't know. A lot of people don't even know that playlists do have a link. You can copy your playlist link and send to someone to watch. And also it also helps that in case someone visits your channel for the very first time, the person would like easily identify your niches, what you are doing on your channel. Yeah, from your playlist. The person will I like easily identify. Okay, the person will know that okay, you have a playlist for tutorials, you have a playlist for vlogging, you have a playlist for entertainment, you have a playlist for this. You can have up to, no matter how many it is, it's your niche. Yeah, that's your channel. You choose what you do on your channel, but categorize it. Another thing, if you are looking for a particular video, also, if you are looking for a particular video, you can also go to a particular playlist and then search for that video easily. Not something that you are looking for a particular video you did about like 5 months ago, and you start scrolling down looking for it one by one. So if you create playlist and embed your videos, particular videos to particular playlists, it makes it very easy for you to find that particular video you're looking for, a particular video you're looking for. So just simply to create a playlist is very simple. It's very simple to create a playlist. Just go to your YouTube studio on your browser, click the plus sign as if you're going to upload a new video, and you will see create playlist. Yeah, note, you will see create playlist. Just create the playlist. If you want to create another one, the same thing. Then if you want to add a video to playlist, your already uploaded videos, just still go to the browser, click on section you see playlist, click on a particular playlist, and then okay, you rename the playlist maybe anyhow you want to, then come to where your videos are, go back to where you have your videos, your shorts. So first of all, go to your videos, you can click on a particular video, you see adding to playlist, you can click on a particular video, and then it will show you which playlist do you want to add this video to, and you click on that playlist, it will automatically go to that playlist. It will automatically copy to that playlist. If you want to add your shorts, you also go to shorts, click on shorts. Also, click on any video on the session you want to add the playlist. Click on it. It will tell you which session do you want to add this video to, which playlist you want to add it. The same thing with live. You can also add your live videos to your playlist, to a playlist. Maybe you create a particular playlist for live and you add your videos to that playlist. So it's very simple, like it's very simple, and it's something you need to do. Like it's something you need to do just to make your video, your channel attractive to someone. Make your channel very easy to your viewers, and also make your channel easy for you as well. So if you watch me up to this point, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Where you don't really understand, drop a comment. I might still make a subsequent video for you to understand more. So let's see in my next video, and thanks for all you do. Have a nice time and take care of yourself.